Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix any touchpad issues you're facing if your touchpad is not working, and this would be in Windows 11 or even Windows 10, right? So now the first thing that you want to do guys on your Windows here, just simply right click on the Windows icon here on your taskbar and simply go to Device Manager. Now once you're here, you will see mice and other pointing devices. Let me just go ahead and maximize this. Yes, under mice and other pointing devices, you want to expand this and you will find the HRD compliance mouse. Now for both of these, you simply want to right click on it and simply do update driver. Search automatically for drivers, and here you will see the HID compliance. You will see if it has any issue or not, and if it's already been installed, then that's good. If you do both of them and there's no issue here, you simply move on to the next step. Now here under human interface devices, you simply want to expand this, and here you will see, for example, asus precision touchpad, right? So you want to right click on this and you simply want to update. So you'll go ahead and you will do update automatically, and if this is okay and there's still a problem with it, then you can simply go ahead, right click again, and you can uninstall. After you do uninstall guys, you just need to come here and go to action and then scan for hardware changes, and this should automatically install back the driver for you. Also, once this is done, you want to go ahead and restart your computer and try again to see if that's working. And if this still does not work guys, what I want you to do, just simply go ahead and click on the start button here and simply type system info. You will see system information. You want to go ahead and open that, and here on the system model you will find the name of your computer. So you simply want to write this down because you're not able to right click and copy this, right? So you're not able to right click and copy this, so you simply want to write this down. Now once you write down this, all you have to do, just simply open up your browser and type in the name of the computer name and just type touchpad driver, something like that, right? Then once you do that, you will find somewhere within the link to the direct website of your computer, right? So the model, so in my case it's asus, and this will take me to the asus website. So here you can see that it mentioned touchpad driver. Here it's mentioned as well about touchpad driver. So you just basically need to open up one of these links, which I did. Simply open up this one, and here you will find lots of drivers. Now you just need to select whichever Windows you have, if it's Windows 11 or Windows 10, and basically look for the driver. And as you saw before, I had a 64-bit Windows 11. So let me go ahead and show you that as well. So here you can see that I have the Windows 11 64, right? So here you can see it. Now, once you do that, all you have to do, just simply look within the list of drivers for where it says something about pointing device, touchpad. So here you can see asus precision touchpad driver. You simply want to go ahead and download this driver and simply install it. Once you install this, reboot your computer, and this should solve the issue. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, special welcome to you. I would appreciate if you join the community by simply clicking the subscribe button below. It's absolutely free to see much more tutorial coming out every single week, just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.